What?
But with a twist. The twist is we're not going to the store this time. We have to use ingredients we already have from home.
This place.
Yeah.
The home.
The home.
Okay, but before we get started,
You guys just smash that like and subscribe button. We'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
did you do it? And we post every Monday,
Wednesday, and Friday.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors to see who can get their ingredients first. Alright, let's do me this loop first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Keegan. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Keegan gets to go first. I go second.
Alright guys, so what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use these, boneless chicken bites, buffalo style. Frank's since 1920 Red Hot Original. And then I'm gonna crumble these on the top with some Pringles. And then I have mozzarella. I'm making a spicy pizza. I better go get my chicken in the oven.
Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna make my normal pizza with stuffed crust. I'm getting olive oil for the crust, whatever that is. I got some garlic because I like garlic. I got some garlic salt because I really like garlic. I got some ricotta cheese because I like ricotta cheese. I got some, what do you like it? Mozzarella because I like mozzarella. I got mozzarella because I like mozzarella. I got string cheese for the stuffed crust. So then we're gonna go like bloop, and then the crust will go bloop, bloop, and then we'll get the stuffed crust.
Alright, so I'm going to be making a macaroni and cheese pizza. So, got some nice spiral craft, and then I got milk and butter for the mac and cheese. I'm gonna add some mozzarella and cheddar to make it just perfect. And then Rylee over here is stealing all my ingredients. I'm gonna have some garlic salt and olive oil. It's just gonna be the best pizza ever created. I'm gonna win.
Alright guys, our judge will be me and Keegan's dad.
Aiden.
I was about to say our dad. Yeah, so let's get making.
Let's get Megan.
Let's get making bacon. All right, guys, time to open the box. Where's this? I gotta be stuffed.
You want a piece?
What?
You want a piece?
That's the bag.
Look at mine now.
Woo! I found the sauce. What do I do with the sauce? I don't know. But it's time to put on the chicken.
Okay, so I'm doing this dough. It's my favorite dough. It's the really only dough I like, but I like any dough because I like dough because I like bread. Okay, so first we're gonna open it. Here it is. Yeah, I'll show you when I have it all laid out.
Alright guys, spread this dough out. Make it just the perfect thickness. It's gonna be a great dough.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with my dough. I think I'm gonna start with the stuffing, the crusting. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna get my stuffing, the crusting.
All right, putting these in. Woo, that's steamy. Chicken.
Okay. So, right now I'm gonna open up one. Runaway cheesecake. There we go. All right. So what we're gonna do is place them like this. I might do it a little bit down so we can throw another one on. Yeah, Keegan ate a bite. They're throwing cheese sticks. Ow! That thing hurts. Okay, guys. So now that we have the cheese sticks on there, we're gonna just roll this over. Ooh, the dough feels like slime. All right, there, our stuffed crust is done. I'm proud of myself. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is get some olive oil. We don't want too much, people, because too much olive oil is never good.
With your olive oil.
You said you wanted olive oil.
When
I like this little thing right here.
the whole nub.
We're gonna add some garlic salt now, because garlic salt you have to add. I don't know what they're giggling about over there, but I like me some garlic. That's not too much, but I guess it's fine.
Wow.
Oh wow!
Oh, cooking with Keegan. Let's go.
No.
Oh. Oui.
Cook.
Yeah. Wow. No.
I can see the little
I'm using the olive oil, no matter what you say.
When did they copy my idea of olive oil?
Actually, I was gonna do that before you brought it up. Rylee. Okay. Look at all that beautiful olive oil.
And look at that beautiful pizza.
You're done.
Oh, you're welcome. Ah! That was bad. Sprinkle this on me. I've never made pizza before, so if this is gross, it's not my fault.
Should work at a pizza place.
It's a little bit more.
Man. I'm just out pizza in the hut.
Ooh, that could almost been bad.
Whoa, Keegan, whoa.
Whoa. Let's smack this bad boy in the oven.
Dump this bad boy in. Wow.
My chicken's done. Boop. There's one. Boop. There's two. Oh, there's three. There's one last one. Now time to add my sauce. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. That's good.
Alright, my dough is out. Now I just gotta get all of this extra olive oil off. I think I put too much on.
Don't look right here though. Just ignore that. There's no love and I had to eat it. But mine came out of the oven. It's really good and crispy, and now I'm gonna add my toppings. Alrighty guys, so to start off, I'm gonna add some mozzarella. And I don't want to do too much because we have like 2 other cheeses. So we're gonna be like that, and then we're gonna be like. These are thick. They look like they're the mini string cheeses. I'm gonna do some ricotta. Okay. Ooh, that needs to be mixed. As you can see, these are ingredients from our house because look at how empty that is, and this is pretty empty too. Not me. I make pizza a lot, so. Next thing we're gonna do is mozzarella. Alright. Last thing we're gonna do is add some minced garlic.
Alright guys, I'm gonna add my sauce. This is gonna be like my tomato sauce, but it's really not tomato sauce. It's hot sauce. I'm making a spicy pizza. So I think that's pretty good for sauce. I don't want to burn their mouths or anything. I'm going to use a spoon to spread the sauce around. Whoa, the sound of my pizza. Now that's crispy. All right, now add the cheese. Alright, it's time to add these little chicken thingies. Put one there. One there. One there. One there. Woo. One there. One there. And one there. So I think we're good.
Alright guys, gotta put all this mac and cheese right on there.
Oh, that sound.
Alright, trying to spread it around, make it all even. See, that's why my pizza is gonna be way better than all of theirs. Because I have equal amount on every single part of my pizza. Well, theirs is all spread out in different parts. It's not gonna be as good.
Oh, what do you call that crust? That's it.
My crust is better than your crust, right?
No, my crust is better than yours. Sorry. But not sorry.
See, it doesn't look as good as theirs, but I tell you, it'll taste a lot better.
He fix it now.
Now I'm just gonna sprinkle on some mozzarella, and then I'll do some sharp cheddar too. Don't want too much on there because I already put some in the mac and cheese. But my saying is you can never go too cheesy with mac and cheese. Never.
Famous quotes.
Famous quotes. Right. Smells like cheese.
Alright guys, so my pizza's done. We've got stuffed crust, mozzarella, ricotta, and normal cheese. And I like my pizza extra crispy, so does my dad. So I think he'll like this piece where you get a lot of crispy and stuffed crust.
My pizza's ready. Let's add the chips. Alright, time to smush them. You have like a hammer or anything? Like a...
Just punch it.
My pizza's jiggling over here.
Man, it's the best pizza here. Just looks so good.
Liar!
I want to eat it all.
Alrighty guys, we put a piece of pizza on this plate from each of our pizzas for our dad to come try. Daddy-hoo! Slime smacker!
Hello, what's going on? Hello, Slime Squad. What are we doing today?
Eating pizza.
All right. Sounds like a plan. What am I doing?
Eating.
Eating pizza?
Voting? Eating? What am I doing?
So
You each made a
he's gonna be
pizza?
voting for first, second, and third.
Mm.
And
Oh,
whoever wins will be crowned the pizza.
so I get to pick who's the best, who's second best, and who's the worst. What kind of pizza you made?
Okay, Dad. So my pizza is a stuffed crust pizza with mozzarella and ricotta and lots of garlic.
Ooh, that looks good.
Alright.
Make sure to try the crust.
Mine is the best pizza. It's got mac and cheese and mozzarella and
What kind of mac and
cheddar.
cheese?
Spiral mac
Ooh,
and
my
cheese.
favorite
Yeah.
kind of mac and cheese. For those of you that don't know, the Spiral Kraft mac and cheese is better than the regular by far, and I don't know why, but it is. That is a fact. And last, but certainly
Least.
maybe, what do we have?
We have a hot pizza I made. It has hot Doritos. It has Pringles. It has mozzarella. It has red hot and crust.
Okay,
And
they all look
chicken.
so good.
Oh, and chicken.
They all look good. Let me figure out which one I want to try first. I'll try this one first.
That's Keegan. What?
Crunchy. I like the sauce. I gotta try a little of the chicken too, though.
Chicken on pizza?
Salty.
Crazy.
I definitely feel the spice.
Woo!
It's very good. I guess we'll try Riley's next.
Saving the best for last time.
Gotta try stuffed crust too.
Ricotta, garlicky. Good. All right, last and certainly maybe least,
Nope.
but maybe not. The spiral mac and cheese.
I'm sure very excited about that.
Mac and cheese. Oh, I forgot we have to
Really
try.
good. Geez, this is hard. All three of them are delicious.
Let me guess. Oops.
Wow. So, all three pizzas were amazing. There's not a single one I don't like. Coming in third place, I'm gonna have to go with Keegan.
I at least got it.
I think you would have scored higher if you'd put more hot sauce. I need a little bit more hot sauce on top, a little bit more. It's very good, it's tasty, it's delicious, a little dry, but good.
I tried to.
Delicious. Both of these are so good. First place, gotta go with Rylee.
Yes! Let's go!
Barely, only because of the stuffed crust. Luke's is delicious, I'm not gonna lie, this is really good pizza.
Let's go stuffed crust for the win. Shout out to Pizza Hut.
Had to give the stuffed crust though. She's got garlicky, she's got ricotta cheese, she's got a different cheese in here. It's like a giant cheese stick. Look at this thing.
Gross.
It is what it is.
Favoritism.
Delicious.
It is a cheese stick in there.
All in all, it was a great competition. We have three worthy opponents. Again, there was not a single bad pizza out of the bunch. They're all three very delicious.
Except Keegan's.
Keegan's was absolutely bomb. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you could try this. It's really good.
Bye, Slime Squad.
Bye.
Luke, I almost picked yours, dude.